If we divide the current market cap by that number, you get $45,066. Now, this is a very rough estimate, but $45,000 absolutely could be over here the maximum Bitcoin is going to move, at least from the current price. Despite big news concerning the SEC possibly confirming a Bitcoin ETF incoming, Bitcoin has actually received a sell signal, and we are looking at moves down incoming. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my main scenario as this plays out, going through technical analysis and fundamental analysis to see where Bitcoin could head next. Now, this may be a little bit of a change in the timeline of the move down we've been looking for, but moves down are still likely incoming. With that, let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video, and if you enjoy, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. A few announcements before we get started. First up, today is the last day to take advantage of our huge Christmas indicator sale. This sale is going to give you $650 worth of savings, and ends today. You have only 8 hours left. Do not miss out. You're going to want to have these indicators as we move into the halving event, and there is no better time than now to snag them. Next up, if we go over to the trade setups page, we have 2 more trade wins. We're going to head to the performance record, and right here you're going to see 117 wins, 0 losses with 2 active trades. In the middle here, you're going to see a row of green. Each of these green cells is a 1 trade, 4% profit for most of them, but as we move into the halving event, into the bull market, we are going to see larger and larger trades. The first trade win today was Chainlink, and this actually won yesterday, December 21st, for an 8% trade win. Next was Sheeb, also won yesterday, December 21st, for a 4% trade win. So that is a combined profit of 12% in the last 24 hours. Congratulations to anyone that took these trades. Stay tuned for the next setups. One last announcement here, brand new members-only content crypto forecast video. Bitcoin topped at $45,000 and will now correct. Here's the data to prove it. Travis is going to show you data based on every halving event cycle that shows strong evidence of why he thinks Bitcoin has reached its mid-cycle top, and we could see a massive drop soon, even with the ETF expected to be released. Now I'm going to talk about this a little bit, but he's going to go super in-depth talking about the gold ETF, historical data, and more. You do not want to miss out on this video. Members only content here, and if you want to get access to all these benefits, including the trade setups and maximum discounts for the Christmas sale, you can access our membership at the second link in the description of the video you're watching right now. Once you have your membership, snag the indicators for that massive discount at the first link. And if you're just kind of looking around Trade Confident, trying to get a feel for it, join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Jumping into the news here, the SEC engages in joint conference call with Bitcoin ETF applicants amid approval speculations. This is huge news, absolutely crazy. For now, we're just going to look at the too long didn't read, the TLDR here. The SEC engages in joint calls with Bitcoin ETF applicants focusing on cash creation model. Speculation arises about the potential approval by January 10th, 2024, fueled by insider reports and Fox Business coverage. Despite positive indicators, the SEC has not approved any spot Bitcoin ETFs to date, and caution is advised amid heightened expectations. Now on the TradingView charts, I have marked out January 10th on this vertical yellow line. We have just under 3 weeks to go at this point, and as the price plays out, I do think we're going to stay within this channel pattern. Only once the Bitcoin ETF is approved do I think we're going to see any significant moves to the upside, but as Travis shows in his future forecast, we don't expect it to go any higher than about $47,000, and that is because if we scroll way back here, we have very strong previous resistance at that level, as you can see here. Now, speculation says that about $30 billion is about to flood into Bitcoin as soon as the Bitcoin ETFs are approved. Now, if you check right here, the live market cap of Bitcoin is $852,301,378,517. Now, if you check right here, the total supply of Bitcoin sits at 19,577,517. 1,575 Bitcoin. If we divide the current market cap by that number, you get $45,066. Now, this is a very rough estimate, but $45,000 absolutely could be over here the maximum Bitcoin is going to move, at least from the current price. For those that want to know how to do that math in the future, it's literally just market cap divided by the current supply of coins. That is exactly what the price is. So if you add $30 billion to the current market cap of Bitcoin, then divide the amount of coins that there currently are, it gives you a rough price estimate. Now, keep in mind, miners are still hard at work. The current supply is going to increase as we get closer to that Bitcoin ETF creation, and it's no guarantee that it's going to be exactly $30 billion increased. But a rough estimate of about $45,000 with a maximum move of $47,000 absolutely seems reasonable. Now, as this happens, if we see a massive increase, one of the most common phrases you're going to hear in crypto trading is called buy the rumor, sell the news. This means that as soon as Bitcoin ETFs were announced, whales and big money were already buying up supply. They probably bought way down here before any of us retail traders even knew that a Bitcoin ETF was coming. When that happens and retail traders finally pump the market, they decide to buy the news. Holy moly, crazy. Bitcoin ETF is going to see mass adoption, which is absolutely true. This is long-term bullish. What whales are likely to do at that point is actually to sell and take profit on retail traders' money. Now, of course, this is only temporary, especially institutions need to keep their Bitcoin. But at that point, we're likely to see a pretty significant correction. And Travis is going to go over this in the future forecast video, comparing it to past releases of asset ETFs. Once again, you can find that information on our website here at the future forecast page. Now, before we end this video, I want to talk to you about what's likely to happen in Bitcoin before the Bitcoin ETF is released. If we head to the 4-hour time frame, we just saw a sell signal pop after a breakout from this rising wedge pattern. Now, rising wedges most often are bearish. They'll typically see drops somewhere between their first and second support structures, and they'll sit between $40,500 and $41,780. Sell signal with price versus while money flow and trades in favor high most often will result in moves down, but I will say, despite being somewhat high, these are actually fairly neutral signals from the price versus while money flow and trades in favor. What this tells me as a trader is the price movement is not likely to be that big, so I think $41,780 is a more reasonable move. Like I said, we have almost 3 weeks before any sort of Bitcoin ETFs come out, so I would not be shocked to see a move down to that level before we skyrocket back up to $45,000 in anticipation of the release of the Bitcoin ETF. If you want to take advantage of this next move down and buy the dip, the signals that you're going to be looking for on the 4-hour and the 1-day time frame, you're going to want both to line up. As the price moves down, what you're going to want to see is price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. At minimum, you want to see those as we test a support structure. If when testing support, we get a buy signal, all three of these will combine to be extremely bullish, and it could be a fantastic point to enter the market. It's literally as simple as that. Literally using these three indicators along with a little bit of risk management is exactly what has earned us 117 wins, 0 losses on our scalping trade strategy. In fact, I want to take a look at the founder of Trade Confidence account right here. This is Travis Martin's actual Coinbase account. Now, our yearly break even is $320,000, and this means the current account is up $196,678, which works out to about 61%. Once again, just using these indicators. Lucky for you, if you're watching this video on Friday, December 22nd, you likely just caught the end of the sale. This sale is going to give you $650 off, and it ends in just a few hours, 5 p.m. Pacific time today, December 22nd. This is one of the largest sales we've ever run. You do not want to miss out, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get the best discount possible. Check this out. What you're going to want to do is check out the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The best possible deal is actually going to go to our members. I'm talking an additional $150 off. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without one. So what you're going to do here is go to the membership page. Our membership is $59 a month. You can cancel anytime. Don't worry. Price increases up to $95 a month are coming soon though, so lock in that membership price as soon as possible. On top of the insane indicator coupon codes, it's going to include massive money-making benefits like the future forecast videos, where Travis is going to go way more in depth as to why the Bitcoin ETF is so important and may actually see drops in the market. You're going to get access to the trade setups with 117 wins, 0 losses, access to our live Zoom coaching every single month, and many more benefits. But once again, the thing we're focusing on here is the indicator coupon codes. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Once you do that, go to the first link here. This is where you're going to purchase the indicators. Scroll down here. The Pro Indicator Pack is the very first one that you're looking at. Once again, members get a massive discount. Click access coupon code and write that down. Then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, throw in that discount code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a total discount of $650. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident. Do not miss out on that future forecast video. It is crucial.